All right, everybody, we are here with John Mangelli with his gorgeous 70s Chevelle that's just been restored. I'm going to let John tell you more about it because this has been his dream car for a long time. Hey, John.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
So I've always dreamt of owning a 70 Chevelle since I was 10 years old, living in Eastchester, driving around Yonkers and driving up Central Avenue with my dad. And I always saw the 70 Chevelles and I've always, had a love for them. This is, 1970, Fathom blue, original color, built in Oshawa, Canada. It has paperwork that came with the car, and so it's originally always a big block car. We put a new interior in it.
Let's see the interior.
Oh, we put a brand new interior, white bucket seats. It's an air conditioning car, tilt wheel, center console. It's a very, it's like a luxury muscle car. Very comfortable for me and my wife. We enjoy it. Okay, here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Well, here she is, 454. Built, has a nice cam in it, sounds nice, runs nice, still has air conditioning, runs like a dream.
Look at that battery. Tell us more. I mean, this car is detailed to the max.
So
I don't see one imperfection. I don't see one
It's got
blemish.
a lot of new parts on it, new brake booster, everything that we could clean up and, either refinish or replace, we did. Just lots of new parts, and we painted under the hood. We painted everything we could to make everything look as original as we could, and just to painted the motor. So the trunk has been restored, looks original, back to the way it was in 1970. Even underneath the car has been restored. It's an original spare, original mag wheel.
So John and I have known each other for a very long time. John has gone through some amazing cars since I've known him. Trans Ams.
I've had a lot of cars.
Corvettes.
That I've sold, and I've loved the GM cars, Pontiac and Chevy mainly. I've owned some Trans Ams and Camaros, love the Trans Ams and Camaros. But Chevelles are my first love. We all come here because we all have a love for cars. But the real love with this group is not our love for cars, but it's the love for people, because all the people in our group are just the best. We met a lot of great people, we enjoy each other, and that's, the true draw to our group here.
Yeah, John and his wife both come to the cruise nights. They both have cars at certain points. Right? They both had Trans Ams at one point. And it's been a real pleasure knowing you guys and meeting you guys. But I gotta say, out of all the cars, I didn't think I'd ever love anything more than the Trans Am you had, the black one.
Well, me
but
too.
I have to say, this thing is amazing.
Yeah, I'm very happy with the way it came out. Brian D did a lot of work on it, worked really hard, did a lot of fantastic things. The painter did a great job, and the interior guy. Brian put the motor in, fantastic job. New gas tank under there.
I see. John, what's the color again?
Fathom blue.
Fathom blue?
Yep.
Truly just a piece of art. It's like a time machine.
So originally built in Oshawa, Canada. I don't know if I said that earlier, but sold in Somerville, New Jersey.
That was where the original owner bought it?
Yes.
Do you know how many owners you are?
I think I'm the 7th owner.
7th, really?
Yeah.
Wow. And besides, whenever they bought it, it's probably the best shape it's ever been in. John, thanks so much for giving us the time.
Thank you.
The car is amazing.